Hello, and thank you for joining us to learn about the Kenevo knee from Ottobock. As someone who wears the Kenevo every day, I'm so glad to have you here. This video is for you to learn more about the trial fit-in process of the Kenevo knee. By the end of this video, my sincere hope is that you have a better understanding of what the Kenevo can do for you. Life goes on, and I intend to get the best of it. I appreciate you joining us today to learn about the Kenevo knee from Ottobock. The Kenevo knee will give you the confidence and trust that you need to continue your journey as it did for me. Thank you for watching, and we wish you continued success on your rehabilitation journey.